Hi there, Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post up videos like this one or when I go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing all of you here and your comments down below. Well, today I went down to my mailbox and I got something sweet. So I thought I'd share it with you. So as most of you know, I sew along with the Fort Worth Fabric Studio mystery quilts. And the current one going on is called Frozen Memories, which I am loving. They're blues and silvers and metallic and my favorite things. So it's great. That one will be ending January 6th. I almost said February. January 16th. I'm getting ahead of myself. January 16th. And that one was a little bit late because of fabric delays and issues that are still going on in the industry. But they had already planned to do a Valentine quilt. Well, they're going to kind of run into each other just a little bit. So I'm here to tell you about Nothing Sweeter, which is their next mystery quilt. And it's their Valentine quilt. And it is beginning January 18th. Yep, 2 days after Frozen Memories ends. So Frozen Memories will end on the 16th. And this one will begin on the 18th. So if you are interested in making a Valentine quilt, go ahead and head over to Fort Worth Fabric Studio and check out all the information about Nothing Sweeter. And you can also find a kit there. They have their kits for sale now. This one will finish at 48 by 48. So it's more like a lap quilt or maybe a quilt you throw on the back of your couch or maybe a wall hanging even. So it shouldn't take us too long. It's going to start on the 18th, and that's a Wednesday, and then we're going to go back to Mondays the next week, and it'll be January 23rd, January 30th, and then February 6th. So we'll get it done in time for Valentine's Day. And Jody has generously given me a kit to give away to one of you, so I'm going to show you the fabrics, and if you are interested in sewing along, then I'll tell you what you need to do to win this kit. Okay, so I'm going to start backwards, tease you a little bit. This is the background fabric. So this is like a creamy white. And then we've got a black and white stripe, which looks really interesting. Don't know what these are for. I haven't seen this yet, so I don't know if it's binding or what, but it's pretty interesting. Then we've got this black fabric with the roses. These fabrics are from Riley Blake by J. Wicker Fresh. And I got to meet her at Quilt Market, and she's a lovely lady, so I'm excited to be making something with her fabrics. We have some conversation hearts. They say, I love you, be mine. It's cute. True love. Ooh, I like this one. Black and white scrolly with hearts. That's pretty. I haven't seen one like that before. That's cute. Then we've got some red hearts for Valentine's. And then we've got some red conversation hearts. And then we've got that rose print again on this light pink. And then we've got the rose print again on red. And then this one definitely looks like J. Wicker Fresh, her stuff, her drawings. I love it. It's really cute. It's kind of an old-fashioned Valentine. So I can't wait to see what this is going to make. This is going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you'll join me for Nothing Sweeter. If you are interested in this kit, yours won't come all apart like this, I promise. This is mine. And you want to sew along Nothing Sweeter with me and with Fort Worth Fabric Studio, go ahead and write something with the word heart in it in the comments down below. Make up a sentence, say whatever you want, but put the word heart in, and I will enter you in the drawing. It is Saturday, January 7th today. I'm going to pull a name on the 10th on Tuesday, January 10th. I need to get this out no later than Wednesday, so I'm hoping to hear back from the winner pretty quickly. That way you can get it in time so you can press it and cut it and start the sew along with us, because it is starting in only a week and a half. Oh, wow, time is going quickly already. Yep, before you know it, it's going to be February. So if you would like this kit, again, put a sentence with the word heart or something with the word heart, and I will enter you in the drawing. And then on Tuesday, I will pull a name randomly. I will make another video, and then I will tell you how to contact me. I have to say this every time I do a giveaway because it happens a lot, because there's a lot of spammers and Autobots out there. But if somebody contacts you in the comments down below and says you're a winner, that is fake. It's not real. It's not me. I will never contact you in the comments and tell you you are a winner. The only way you can win this kit is if you come on over, watch the giveaway with the winner's name announced, and then I will tell you in that video how you can contact me via email with your information. Okay, so good luck, and I can't wait to sew this along with you guys. Take care, guys. Have a great night, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.